You can also enable the sales revenue and profit dashboard gadgets if you have access to do so in your own account. Here you can get to see the sales made for the period. So now we're looking at comparing this quarter versus last quarter in all the office location. So this one shows us this is the sales made this quarter. This is a demo account. This one shows us the sales made for last quarter. Then this, you get the percentage increase. It could be an increase or a decrease. If it's an increase, it will be in green. If it's a decrease, it will be in red. Then here you get to see the gross profit for the period. But this shows you sales made. This shows you the cost of sales. This shows you the gross profit, and this shows you your expenses. Then this gives you the net profit. All right, so it gives you the net profit, and it shows you if it's the percentage increase or the percentage decrease. And you see that here. If it's an increase, it will be in green. If it's a decrease, it will be in red. And you can get to specify if you want it for, you want to view for a particular, maybe today versus yesterday, this week versus last week, this month versus last month, this quarter versus last quarter, this year versus last year. And you can also get to specify the exact office location as well.